Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about Rocket Money versus Monarch. Alright, let's begin. First of all, both of these platforms are designed to help users manage their finances more effectively, track expenses, and achieve their financial goals. So let's start with Monarch Money. Now, its features include cash flow-based budgeting. Monarch Money adopts a cash flow-based budgeting approach, allowing users to allocate funds to different categories and monitor their spending. Next is customizable budget goals. Users can set personalized budgeting goals and monitor their progress towards financial milestones, such as debt repayment or saving for a vacation. Also, Monarch Money offers detailed expense tracking features, including categorization and visualization tools to help users comprehend their spending habits. On the other hand, Rocket Money focuses on creating a spending plan tailored to each user's income and expenses, providing a clear overview of available funds for different spending categories. Next, automated savings. Rocket Money offers automated savings features, allowing users to set aside funds for savings goals automatically with each paycheck. There is also bill tracking available, so Rocket Money tracks recurring bills and expenses, providing reminders and notifications to ensure users never miss a payment. As for the pricing, Monarch Money offers a subscription-based pricing model starting at $8.33 per month for its basic plan, while Rocket Money is available for free with optional premium features starting at $4.99 per month. While Monarch Money may have a more advanced feature set at a higher price tier, Rocket Money provides a budget-friendly option for users on a tight budget. In conclusion, choosing between Monarch Money and Rocket Money depends on your individual financial goals, preferences, and budget. If you prefer a structured cash flow-based budgeting approach and are willing to invest in advanced features, Monarch Money may be the better choice. However, if you're looking for a free and more flexible budgeting tool with automated savings features, Rocket Money could be the ideal solution. So that's basically all about Rocket Money versus Monarch. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.